Introducing the 2025 Range Rover SV, the ultimate ultra-large luxury SUV. From its bold design to unmatched comfort and powerful performance, this SUV sets a new benchmark in the world of luxury. The exterior commands attention with a refined, muscular stance. Sleek body lines, massive wheels, and signature Range Rover styling make it impossible to ignore on any street or highway. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that defines luxury. Premium leather, spacious seating for up to 7 passengers, and cutting-edge technology including an advanced infotainment system and digital driver display. Ambient lighting elevates the mood, creating a first-class experience for every passenger. Under the hood, the Range Rover SV packs incredible power. With a V8 engine delivering smooth acceleration, refined handling, and intelligent all-wheel drive technology, it balances comfort with performance effortlessly, whether on city streets or rugged terrain. Safety and convenience come standard with the Range Rover SV. Advanced driver assistance systems, wireless charging, premium audio, and smart connectivity keep every journey secure and enjoyable. It's a perfect blend of luxury, technology, and practicality. The 2025 Range Rover SV is the ultimate luxury SUV, commanding, refined, and engineered for those who demand the very best. Which feature impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car reviews.